How to fix the 0x80004005 Windows install or update error. Press the Windows key, type Windows Security, and click on the top result. Inside the app, go to Device Security, then under Core Isolation, click on Core Isolation Details. Now turn on the toggle for Memory Integrity and select Yes when the UAC prompt appears. Windows will then check for driver compatibility and enable the feature. Once that's done, restart your computer and then try installing the update again. In many cases, a third-party antivirus can block Windows updates or even prevent a new version from installing. To fix this, you'll need to temporarily uninstall any third-party antivirus software. After the update is complete, you can always reinstall it if needed. To do that, press Windows and R keys, type appwiz.cpl and hit Enter. Now look for the third-party antivirus, select it, and click on Uninstall. There should be an option at the top. Once it's removed, restart your computer and then try installing the update again. Press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, then click on Run as Administrator. When the UAC prompt appears, select Yes. Now, you'll need to run 4 commands. The first 3 use the DISM tool, and the last one runs the SFC scan. Start from the top and work your way down. I've added all the commands in the video description, so just copy them one by one, paste them into Command Prompt, and press Enter after each. Once you have run all 4 commands, restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. Press Windows and I keys to open Settings, then go to System. On the right, click on Recovery. Now, next to Fix Problems Using Windows Update, click Reinstall Now. Then click OK to confirm. Your PC will start downloading a repair version of Windows. This helps fix any corrupted system files or other critical issues. Once the download is complete, restart your computer to finish the installation, and then check if the update error is resolved. If none of the previous methods worked, your last option is to perform an in-place upgrade. It's similar to reinstalling Windows, but don't worry. Your personal files and installed apps will stay intact. We have a dedicated video on how to perform a Windows repair upgrade, and it should now appear near the top right corner. If you don't see it, just click the eye icon at the top. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.